Hello everyone. I'm gonna read you a book called Owl Babies by Martin Waddle, illustrated by Patrick Benson. Please enjoy. Once there were 3 baby owls, Sarah and Percy and Bill. They lived in a hole in the trunk of a tree with their owl mother. The hole had twigs and leaves and owl feathers in it. It was their house. One night, they woke up and their owl mother was gone. "Where's Mommy?" asked Sarah. "Oh my goodness," said Percy. "I want my mommy," said Bill. The baby owl thought, "I think she's gone hunting," said Sarah. "To get us our food," said Percy. "I want my mommy," said Bill. But their owl mother didn't come. The baby owls came out of their house and they sat on the tree and waited. A branch for Sarah, a small branch for Percy, and an old piece of ivy for Bill. "She'll be back," said Sarah. "Back soon," said Percy. "I want my mommy," said Bill. It was dark in the woods, and they had to be brave, for things moved all around them. "She'll bring us mice and things that are nice," said Sarah. "I suppose so," said Percy. "I want my mommy," said Bill. They sat and they thought. "I think we should all sit on my branch," said Sarah. And they did, all together. "Suppose she got lost," said Sarah. "Or a fox got her," said Percy. "I want my mommy," said Bill. And the baby owls closed their owl eyes and wished their old owl mother would come. And she came. Soft and silent, she swooped through the trees, so Sarah and Percy and Bill. "Mommy," they cried, and they flapped and they danced and they pounced up and down on their branch. "What's all the fuss?" their owl mother asked. "You knew I'd come back." The baby owls thought, "All owls think a lot." "I knew it," said Sarah. "And I knew it," said Percy. "I love my mommy," said Bill. They're all together. Before I end this story, I wanted to ask how many baby owls you see here. How many baby owls we see here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 baby owls and 1 mommy owls. Thank you. I hope you enjoy it.